call me Chef Weirdo. Now for a picture. What? I know my phone didn't just die. You better not start this. You're supposed to be at Jonah's house. Why is your eyes swollen? Good morning, teacher. Yes, I have a black eye because I beat up Malachi. Jonah, I'll give you some jelly if you go over there and punch Malachi in the face. Oh. Sorry, teacher, I can't really see that well because Malachi punched me in the face. I'm just looking at them. Teacher, I think I need some more ice, please. Elizabeth, did you see the fight? Who recorded this? Jonah. Nothing? No, I was eating my peanut butter. Jonah, I wasn't even fighting him for real.
I don't even care anymore. I don't care. I hate this school.
Jonah, tomorrow's parent-teacher conference day, so you have to tell my mom that I was good today. Malachi, do you want some of my Skittles gummies?
What? I didn't do nothing. I was just sitting here. Oh my.
Elizabeth, Malachi is cheating on you with her. He's not loyal. Come to me. Jonah, give Malachi some of these. He's allergic to them.
No, I'm not eating it. No, ma'am. These are Jonah's here.
Malachi, is this your string cheese? I took it from your book bag like you took Elizabeth from me. Elizabeth, can I have a hug?
Stop trying to kiss me, Elizabeth.
Malachi, look. Jonah, can I play 2K19 on your game system? Hello? I don't have a cell phone, so I have to call you off my friend's house phone. Hello? Are you up, Jonah? Jonah, do you want a waterfall? Oh, your mom bought this. Can I have some? Jonah, do you want to test my new diamond grill? That's how you know it's real. Jonah, go back to sleep. I'm giving myself a tattoo.